Hi, I'm hairstylist Scott King, and I'm going to teach you how to get a bombshell blowout. Start with the full volume mousse for instant body with a soft finish. You're going to want to apply it to the roots through the mid shaft. Next, you use the quick blowout spray for heat protection up to 450 degrees while it nourishes and adds shine to the hair. I personally like to rough dry the hair to about 80% dry before going in with the round brush. For maximum volume, you're going to want to set the hair on top of your head. For similar results, you can set your hair with Velcro or hot rollers. Before taking the hair down, I do a light mist of the Control Hairspray to lock in the style. Brushing the hair really brings the style together to give it that bouncy and fluffy look. I go in again with the Control Hairspray to lock it all in. It's humidity resistant and has up to 24-hour control while still being brushable and not flaky. Hot tip, spray a little bit on your hands to tame those flyaways when you're finishing the style. All right, this is the final product. I hope you learned some fun tips and tricks to create your own bombshell blowout at home.